You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 20,922,789,888,000. Let's solve it step by step. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 16 times 15 equals 240. 240 times 14 equals 3360. 3,360 times 13 equals 43680. 43,680 times 12 equals 524160. 524,160 times 11 equals 5765760. 5,765,760 times 10 equals 5765760. 57,657,600 times 9 equals 5189184. 518,918,400 times 8 equals 4151347. 4,151,347,200 times 7 equals 290594304. 29,059,430,400 times 6 equals 174356582. 174,356,582,400 times 5 equals 871782912. 871,782,912,000 times 4 equals 348713164. 3,487,131,648,000 times 3 equals 1,046,139,494. 10,461,394,944,000 times 2 equals 209227898. 20,922,789,888,000 times 1 equals 20922789888. And so the final result is 20,922,789,888,000.